In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit on Kucoin exchange. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to effectively use a stop limit order can be a valuable skill on your trading journey. First things first, let's begin by visiting the Kucoin exchange website. If you're not familiar with the platform, Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade a vast array of digital assets. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you need to do is log in. Simply click on the Login button. It's usually located on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and securely access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up before continuing. Once you're logged in and comfortably browsing the Kucoin homepage, your next step is to click on Trade. This will bring you to the trading interface where all the magic happens. For our purpose today, we'll be focusing on spot trading, a commonly used service for buying and selling cryptocurrencies directly using other digital assets. Now that you're in the spot trading section, it's time to search for the trading pair you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, you'd search for the BTC-ETH pair in the search bar. Once found, click on it to open up the respective trading page. With the trading pair chosen, direct your attention to the order options available. Initially, you might see a default option like a market or limit order. Today, though, we're interested in the stop limit order. Begin by clicking on the advanced limit, which provides additional functionalities for placing your order. Within the advanced limit menu, you'll find the stop limit option. Click on it, and this is where the key features of a stop limit order come into play. A stop limit order allows you to sell or buy an asset once it reaches a certain price, adding a level of control and security to your trades. You'll need to set two main price points, the stop price and the limit price. The stop price triggers your order when the asset reaches that specific price, and the limit price is the maximum or minimum price at which the trade will be executed. With these price points carefully set according to your trading strategy, confirm the details and place your order. Keep in mind that effective trading often requires monitoring market conditions closely, as prices can fluctuate unexpectedly. And there you have it. You've successfully set a stop limit order on Kucoin. By following these steps, you should have a solid foundation for using this type of order to manage risk and optimize your trading portfolio. Enjoy trading responsibly, and may your investment decisions yield rewarding outcomes.